And for a lot of folks, this is their derby. This is where they come out and celebrate with their friends and their family to kick off the Derby Week activities. So this is a tradition for so many folks to come out here and be a part of this parade along Broadway.
I love seeing the smiles, to be able to be a part of it and ride down the route and see why people are here. And it is a joyous event. I mean, the waving, when they see the dancers, when they see the floats, the inflatables, you can feel it. I mean, it's almost, you could feel the energy coming back to you. And when we get to the end, you're almost walking 9 feet above the ground. It's awesome.
I like that everybody in Louisville and even people from out of state come in to enjoy this festival and for Derby. I think it's really great. I like seeing all the people here. Like, you can really tell it does bring people together.
It's great to see so many people out today, for sure, to celebrate, Derby and everything. It's great.
Now we've got the Jefferson County Traditional Middle School Lady Centurion Steppers coming through, and they have been in the parade for about 4 years. They represent their school in multiple community activities throughout the year, parades and festivals and school events. They excel not only in step and dance as well, they also value education and take pride in their academics. They are diverse, multifaceted, and are here to show their talents.
This is Kentucky Hard Riders out of Vine Grove, Kentucky. You're going to see 25 to 30 participants here. It's a therapeutic riding club that believes that the powerful connection between people and horses can be transformational. Through horsemanship, they develop character, learn ethics and responsibility, grow physically and emotionally, and discover themselves. It's their own lives that they improve, along with improving the lives of others and their horses. There are 80% military veterans who focus on people and horses that are poorly served, and they're committed to people who are facing challenges.
And their beautiful, colorful costumes are just absolutely stunning here, bringing a lot of color to the parade. And this is a all-inclusive academy that's transcending borders and divisions by connecting the community through traditional folklorico dance lessons and shows in which they aim to inspire and educate and preserve culture, all while providing an outlet for children and their families.
And you got a lot of young children on the float. It's great to see everybody and the beautiful costumes that they wear, and of course, most importantly, the meaning behind the dances that they are performing here today. We mentioned some of our sponsors. We cannot leave out UPS. Caleb Allen is coming down the route. Caleb serves as UPS's Louisville's hub, contributing to the company's logistic operations. Recognized as a super UPSer, Caleb opened his home to support immigrant children and families in Louisville, demonstrating his commitment to community service. Thank you, Caleb Allen, and thank you to UPS.
And now we've got the UPS Jobs Kentucky coming up here from our hometown's shipping hero, UPS. And every year, UPSers, they are out here excited to be a part of their incredible experience. And with over 26,000 UPS employees in the Kentuckiana area, there are a lot of folks. Get excited when you see the big brown truck coming up, pulling up to your house, right?
What can Brown do for you?
Exactly. UPS recruiting team works hard to make folks aware of the rewarding career opportunities available at UPS. Not only does UPS deliver millions of packages every day around the world, UPS delivers amazing education programs as well.
One thing that makes Louisville so beautiful, in addition to the Derby Festival, of course, happens to be year-round. The Louisville Parks and Recreation team, they keep all of the awesome parks that we have here, part of the Olmsted collection. What a jewel that we have. They keep them up, and like in years past, the Parks and Recreation float that you see coming down has been designed and built entirely in-house by members of the recreation team. They've participated for more than 10 years.
We have the Miss Rodeo Kentucky. They strive to provide once-in-a-lifetime opportunities for the young women who participate in and represent the organization throughout the year at professional rodeos, philanthropic, and youth development events across the nation.
And there we have Passport. You see, it's Passport by Molina Healthcare, driven by a mission that believes every person, every family, and every community deserves access to high-quality health care regardless of their situation. Their mission is to deliver effective, reliable, and affordable health care to those who need it most. They strive to meet the needs of each member and strengthen the communities that they serve by removing barriers to access health care.
And GE Appliances and Water Steps Water Relief Disasters Response Unit, sponsored by GE Appliances, is coming up here. This is their first time being a part of the parade. They've got about 10 folks who are a part of their organization coming through right here. And for 30 years, GE Appliances and Water Step, they both based here in Louisville. They've partnered to address a global safe water crisis. We've featured them so many times on our newscast, leveraging the talent and the skill of GE Appliances, their engineers, their water filtration expertise, and Water Steps' international network and expertise in safe water solutions. And their partnership represents a unified effort to make a lasting global impact.
And you know, it's no stranger that we've had to have their assistance even here at home with natural disasters like flooding, tornadoes, and more. But whether it's local or afar, you can bet that GE Appliances and Water Steps Water Relief Disaster Response Unit will be deployed to help others. Here comes a large and always large group, the Damascus Temple, number 58, Prince Hall Shriners. They do a tremendous amount of work when you think of folks that step in to help, that need that sort of outreached arm. They are always there with a outstretched arm of their own, helping to pick up and help, and have done so for more than a century now, right here in Louisville.
And for the past 12 years, they've always had a big presence here in the parade with about 55 to 65 folks riding through. So it's always great to see them as well. We have the Park Duval Community Health Center coming in now from Louisville. The Park Duval Community Health Centers is a nonprofit healthcare provider committed to delivering high quality, affordable care to underserved communities throughout Kentucky with 7 locations. They're excited to announce the grand opening of their immediate care center this May, expanding access to same-day walk-in medical services for families and individuals in need of urgent care. Very important for our community. And next month, they're going to be breaking ground on a new farmers market, a community-driven project focused on increasing access to fresh, affordable produce and promoting healthier lifestyles in West Louisville.
The Co-Care for Kids is celebrating 100 years as the region's most comprehensive children's charity. It assists those in need with health care, medical equipment, research, education, social services, and child advocacy. They support over 20 hospitals that are dedicated for children of special needs. And as we pointed out, celebrating 100 years, that's no small task, and they've been helping children all along the way live life to the fullest, and is working to spread more joy, hope, and care for their second century of service.